my lovelies, welcome to today's video. I'm Mandy and this is my Mandy IRL. This is me in real life, and lately that's a lot of makeup content. So other things you can see on my channel in the future, you can see through my lens, which is my monthly collection of all the photos I've taken throughout the month, compiled into a nice montage for you. In the future there will also be home tours and home decor and some arts and crafts, but like I said, lately it's been a lot of makeup because that's what I'm really into lately, and today is no exception. Today we are going to be opening a brand new makeup subscription, to me anyway. Other people may have heard of it, but it is Medusa's Makeup. And Medusa's Makeup is a monthly subscription box that I believe is a bag that is $18 and some change. I forgot to write down the information. I will put the information in the description box and pin it in the comments for you. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and break into this. I already cut it open to make sure I could get into it, because a lot of times these bubble mailers for me, this one especially, I tried pulling it open here and it was just glued so tight that I couldn't get into it. So I cut it open, didn't peek, have no idea what's in here. Well, that's not true. I did add on 2 items that I know are in here. The rest of it, I may have seen spoilers, but I don't know if that was for this month or for next month. So let's go ahead and reach in here blindly and pull out. It's a pamphlet. That is it going to tell me what's in here? It tells me about the brand, and they are very colorful, and if you can't tell by now, I'm a pretty colorful person. I have teal hair. I often wear dark makeup, so yeah, I love color. Okay, the next thing is, one of the things I added on is this, oh, there's something in it, this beautiful makeup bag. Look at that design. And then the other side says Medusa's Makeup, and there's something inside. I think this is, I ordered a lip balm, I think, to go with it. So, but I thought this might be a nice size. All the ones I have are Ipsy sized, and this is actually about the same size. So, yes, this is the lip balm I ordered. It is Rage Against the Bean Vanilla Vegan Lip Balm. And I believe all their products are vegan, but there is a lovely Rage Against the Bean, and that's a vanilla lip balm, and it's just a black container. Ah, smells delicious. I love lip balm. I use it all the time, and so I definitely decided to order one of those and a cute little makeup bag to go with it. Alright, and then, so it looks like everything is vegan and cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, we got some other stuff in here. Hi. Because it also said bonus items, so I'm not sure what the bonus items are. This is, okay, this is the card telling me this is Peace Out is the theme, I guess. And then on the back, it has the items that are listed, plus a QR code for something. And then this is the thing. Okay, so the monthly beauty box, because the invoice is right here, is $18.95 a month. And then plus shipping and handling and all that stuff. And that is cool. And I thought for $18.95 a month, that's pretty good, and you get a whole bunch of stuff that is pretty colorful. So this is, oh, this is another card of stuff. Did I get two bags in one? I don't know. This one is Glow Up. I'm confused. I got 2 cards with lists of okay, let's see what's actually in here. Alright, so the first actual product is a Beauty Host Rose Moisturizing Mask. Cruelty-free and vegan, of course. Oh, that's nice. It's a little, oh, what are they called? It's one of those fabric type face masks. I will add that to my collection in rose, and it seems really nice and pretty, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. And lately I just ran out of serum, so I've been using the serum that's in the mask as part of my skincare routine from some other masks until I get another serum that's worth using up. So yeah, that's what that is. Okay, next thing is a bubble. Okay. Is that everything? No, okay. Everything's in a bubble wrap. And then there's another card. Okay. Okay, so everything else is in a little bubble wrap thingy. So I don't know why I got 2 cards. One's for September. Okay, so Peace Out says September on it, and then Glow Up says November. So I think I got the November one. Unless I got a combination of the both. So first off we have, ooh, that's pretty. This is a baked eyeshadow in the color Woke. That is a gorgeous gold. I'm not a fan of gold, but apparently I'm gonna start using gold. We'll see. But that's a cute little compact. That is quite a dome. Baked eyeshadow in there. Woke, huh? Cruelty-free and vegan. Love it. Okay, next up we have this little guy, which is some sort of thing. I don't know what it's called. It is a makeup remover pad. Okay, so it's like a makeup eraser, but it's so cute. It's really padded too. Very padded. Let me feel it. Can you feel the love? I can't open it. There it is. I just went the wrong way. Okay. That's cute. It's got a little tag, and then it's quite floofy. A nice fuzzy makeup eraser. That'd be nice. I can put this in my to-go bag when I'm pet sitting, and that way I don't have to take my whole makeup eraser. That'll be lovely. I'll read more about that. Okay, there's a couple more things in here. I keep getting stuck to the bubble wrap bag. Alright, this is Pink Glow. What is it? Illuminating Stick. Okay, it's an illuminating stick in Pink Glow and Peony. That's really pretty. Let's take a look at that. Cruelty-free and vegan, of course. Okay, I can't get into it. I have no fingernails whatsoever. They are tiny. I just cut them all off and painted them last night. I can't stand having long fingernails, so I don't know how these people do it with like the really long ones. Okay, so Peony, I guess, is the company, and then Pink Glow. That's cute. That's a little, where's it? There. That's a little thing. Let me swatch that. Okay. It's a little hard to see. It's a little pink kind of highlighter. Gel-based crayon that instantly delivers soft, focused lip from within color in a flattering hybrid of pink, gold, and luminescence. Apply to your cheekbones and blend with finger for a radiant, instant radiance and rosy glow. Okay, so it's very faint. It's there. That's cute. I would definitely give that a try. I always need more highlighters. I only have one in my collection right now. And then we have Medusa's Makeup Tinted Lip. Yeah, Tinted Lip Balm in DM. Let's see this. Another lip balm, and this one's tinted. Tinted Lip Balm. What color is it though? I don't know. I can't get into it. But this is Medusa's Makeup brand. That's cute. It's like white with stars. It says Medusa's Makeup on it. And then, ooh, lovely sort of red shade. Let's swatch that on my hand. Oh, that's a nice like, dark pink. It looks kind of orangey on the screen, but it's more of a dark pinky coral. That'll be pretty. I will definitely get some use out of that. And the packaging is nice and matte, and it's a pretty good size swatch. Almost matches my watch actually. And the last thing in here, is got a dropper top. So it's a facial serum. Yay! It is Medusa's Makeup's Afterglow Facial Serum, a refreshing, hydrating blend of grapeseed oil and pink grapefruit oil. As always, cruelty-free and vegan and paraben-free. And that is just a cute little bottle with the dropper. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. Let me smell it. Oh, definitely has a grapefruit smell to it. So that's everything I got in the box for the $18.95. We got the facial serum, the lip balm, the highlighter stick, the gigantic baked eyeshadow, and the makeup eraser. I forgot. And then the mask. So that's it. So you can check out Medusa's Makeup at, I'll leave the link down below. I also am an affiliate. So if you're interested in checking out the website and picking up anything for yourself or subscribing to the monthly box, if you use my link, that would be much appreciated. And until next time, I can't wait to see what I get in the next month. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to follow more of my content, please consider subscribing. It's free. And hit that notification bell so you get notified next time that I decide to upload a video, which should be Monday, Wednesday, Friday in the future, unless something happens and then it doesn't happen. Yes. Anyway, thank you. Bye-bye.